Okay, now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the Teflon. We're going to have to put Teflon on here. Teflon is extremely important because this is a metal pipe. This is also a metal fixture. So we want to make sure that there's no leak. So the only way to really do that, you can use the Teflon tape. And the Teflon tape, basically, it's very, very thin. It's, of course, made out of Teflon. And what we're going to do is just give it about 1 or 2 turns. And basically, that will be it. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten the fixture onto it. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go take the Teflon tape. And we're just going to give it maybe 2 turns. Should be good enough. And just pull off the excess. And just screw this, hand tighten it first. And put it in the position that you want. And then just get your adjustable wrench. And again, make sure that you hold this pipe because we don't want to turn this pipe unnecessarily and break the pipe. We just want to go ahead and tighten this up a little bit. Doesn't need to be tightened all that much. And that's good enough. Just take the head, turn it around. Okay, we're almost there.